Hey everyone, it's Manero here, and in this video I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of November are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated on last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you don't know what my challenge of the month is, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media using the hashtags Manero brushes and Manero challenge, and feel free to include this image in your post. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for November is Dying Nature. I think the end of the fall is my favorite time of the year. I love a good walk in nature when the trees and all the greenery is slowly wilting and preparing for the winter. The weather is starting to get cold and it feels amazing to chill at home, drawing or painting with a cup of coffee with the sounds of the rain outside. So for this month's challenge, I wanted to do something related to all those nice cozy feelings through the idea of dying nature. For this concept, the first thing I wanted to establish was the color palette. It needed to be very soft and subtle, something delicate. I came up with these 10 colors that I feel they capture the idea exactly how I imagined. For this month's brush, I figured some kind of watercolor brush would be really fitting, since watercolor tends to be one of the most delicate art media, if not the most. I didn't use any specific photo reference for my illustration here. Instead, I looked at multiple decorative bouquet photos, exploring the general mood I wanted. Then I improvised the placement for these flowers I painted, slowly constructing the scene. I played with the different tones in the color palette and the delicate strokes from this brush to paint the petals until each flower was formed. Then I added a few leaves of different sizes, trying to respect the rule of big, medium, and small shapes. I also tried to place the leaves in a way that they would help balance the composition and give it some structure around the flowers. From time to time, I added a few specific details, like the nerves in the bigger leaves. At this point I added a glass jar, and I painted the bottom of the sprouts inside. I continued adding details in this area, including the water reflections, and the darker parts of the bottom of the jar. Here I started adding the shadow the jar is projecting on the table it is sitting on. And I added a couple of highlights in the glass. I also insinuated a little bit of the wall behind the bouquet, using the smudge tool from time to time with the same brush to blend some of the brush strokes. From here I just kept detailing until I felt the illustration was finished. At the end I added a few leaves on the table that I feel rounded up this month's prompt. And this is the final result. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art-related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Challenge of the Month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.